Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to attach our square plated table base to our compact laminate tabletop. Now our square plated table bases are our Chicago, our Maxwell, our circular and our bolt-in. So if you bought a square plated table base and a compact laminate tabletop, this is how you attach the top. Now our base, we're going to be using these large holes in the corners to attach. And for the compact laminate tabletop, we actually have this German slot technology. If you received any screws with your compact laminate tabletops, please don't use them because compact laminate is too thin and the screws will go through and pierce the top. You want to use this German slot technology, which I'll show you how to do. Now, if you have a particularly busy cafe or your customers can be a little rough with the furniture, we recommend you use a little bit of liquid nails to attach your top. Just put some around the base and then the German slot technology will hold it until it bonds permanently. So you should have received 4 of these square-headed bolts. You just drop it down into the circle and slide them along the grooves. And then line those up with the large holes in the corner of your base. Just like so. You should have also received 4 washers. And 4 little locking nuts. And for the locking nuts, you want a size 10 spanner to tighten them up. Now you have these little rubber caps. They're for putting on over the screws. Now you need to put a little bit of silicone or a little bit of glue in there and then pop them on, and it just stops the sharpness of those screws. You wouldn't want anybody ripping their pants on them. And just fall like that, just makes them nice and soft and safe, but you do need to put a little bit of glue on there just to hold these on and stop them falling off. And there you have it. That's how you attach our square plated table base to our compact laminate tabletop.